Alright YouTube, welcome back. I'm very glad to have you guys here. And today I think we have something pretty exciting. At least I think so. Yeah, basically the gist of it is today I'm going to try out some free logo makers. And let's see if we could, I don't know, just make a logo that's viable enough to use for a game or like a group, a studio logo. So yeah, I'm very curious to see how this turns out. If I do happen to get a good result, I might take it into Photoshop and see what else I can add to it or just kind of change. But yeah, I think this should be pretty fun. I hope you guys are enjoying the gameplay in the background. But I say we should get right into it. Alright, so I just looked up free logo generator right here, and the first option we have is from Luca.com. It says the best free logo maker, create a unique logo, the most 5-star reviews of any logo maker, trusted by 10 million plus businesses. Make your logo now. So as you can see, we have to make our logo now. Luca combines your logo design preferences with artificial intelligence to help you create a custom logo you love. All it takes is a few clicks. Okay, so company name, let's go for GFX comment. Let's make a new logo. Okay, pick your industry. What do I put? Graphic design, I guess. Game studio, game development, game dev. I think we should go for graphic design. It's more. Okay, so pick some logos you like. Let's see, what do we like here? We're gonna go for something that matches us. Let's see, these are all obviously not these. Those don't fit at all. I think this is pretty cool. This right here is pretty cool as well. This is alright, even though it's just text with a little icon. Let's pick one more. I'm gonna go for this one. Let's go continue. Okay, pick some colors you like. Let's go for blue, teal, blue, depth, trust, loyalty, confidence, intelligence, and calmness. Teal, creativity, inspiration, excitement, tranquility, and youth. It's very interesting. Alright, continue, add a slogan. Shop now. Okay, pick some symbol types. We've hand curated symbols for these types. Okay, let's go for design, developer, designer. What else do we have? Design agency, design, creative, abstract, idea. Okay, I think these are fine. Let's go continue. We're generating some logos for you. Oh, let's check this out. What do we have here? We got a bunch. We got a ton of logos here. Okay, continue as guest. I don't want to sign up, unfortunately. Okay, GFX comment. This is like a, what is this? This looks like a force field of some sort. Here we have a crown. This is some text. This GFX comment. This right here is like a, I don't know what this is called. This looks like a small little fractal. There's a paintbrush. GFX comment. We have a pentagon here. This is a particle circle dispersion thingy. This is some, I don't know, checker pattern. Particle thing? I don't know. Here we have a person meditating. Another icon here. Let's keep going. Paintbrush. Which one do you guys think is the best one out of all these? Let's go load, actually. Ooh, I think this one is the best one so far. Honestly. This one is funny. This looks like a 13-year-old's creation. Not gonna lie. This one as well. What is this right here? That's really funny. This is a jewelry store kind of logo. This is a programming logo. Let's go load more logos. What else do you have for me? I like this icon. Ooh, this one is the best one so far. This one is cool. I like this one. Alright, let's click here. And you guys can see they even automate the mockups for you right here. So this is how it would look on a website header, a business card. Brand essentials, social profiles, social covers, business cards, website, brand guidelines, letterheads, logo files. They even display the color palette for you right here. digital marketing essentials, social posts, stories, advertisements, and blog banners. This actually looks pretty decent, honestly. That looks really cool. This too. Yeah, I like that actually. This looks. I think I'm saying that because this looks similar to our current logo. That could be part of it. I guess that kind of validates my choice. But anyways, I think the conclusion for this logo maker generator thingy is, I think this could actually be quite useful to create some ideas for a logo you want to make on your own, right? So you can see they've made a ton of very different logos right here, very quickly. This text, I like this little font here. It's actually really cool. So you guys can see, if you want any ideas, I think this could actually be quite useful. You can see right here, it's just created a bunch more. See, this one is pretty cool, a little shape there. It's a water drop for some reason. Let's see, hearts, antlers. Is that that's a panda, right? Correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah, anyways, I think that is my conclusion. This is also really nice. So yeah, you could probably use this to just make some ideas if you're stuck. Just get a bunch of ideas here. It can help you out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys would like to see me do part 2, try out some more, you guys can leave a like, also leave a comment down below. I would also really appreciate that. Make sure you guys join our Discord, as well as follow us on Twitter. And yeah, with that being said, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace out.